1. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to change Facebook phone number without logging. Firstly, you need to open your Facebook app. The first thing I want you to know is that Facebook actually does not allow to change our phone number completely from the outside. You have to be signed in to reset your number, but you don't need your number to be signed in. So if you are trying to log in and your phone number is not working with your password, you can try to log in with your email that is associated with your username. If it's not working, next step is to reset your password. Tap on forgotten password. Here we don't remember our phone number, so let's tap on search by email address instead. Now you need to enter your email address that is associated with your account. Then tap on find account. Here you got a different options to log into your account. Let's tap on get code or link through email. After that, tap on continue. Now here you need to enter your code that is sent on your email address. Here you can see code has been sent to our email inbox. When you finish entering your code, then tap on continue. And this is how we can change Facebook phone number without logging. Thank you for watching.